I'd love a suggestion of something that's modern that isn't these. A lot of people don't like these ones, even though they're the most popular contemporary pole that we sell. However, there's other options that are really good. So the next most popular is a square bar pull like these. There's other ones that have a little more detail like these that are very similar to those square bar pulls, but then they just have the clipped corners. Or you can have these that have a chamfered edge and they're a little more rounded looking. Both great options. Let us know if we can help.